Okay, hello class. We are going to learn about our next material is about rational number, about addition, subtraction, about multiplications, and also divisions. Okay, before we jump to the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, what is a rational number? Rational numbers can be defined as any number that can be represented in the form P over Q, where P and Q are integers while Q is not equal 0. The ratio P over Q can be further simplified and represented in decimal form. Okay, I will give you the example about addition. Okay, first we are going to discuss about additions of rational number. Additions of rational number. These numbers, yeah, can be done in the same way as adding fractions, adding numbers, and there are two cases related to the additions of rational numbers. The first, we add the rational number with equal denominators, atau kita menambahkan bilangan rasional itu dengan penyebutnya yang sama. For example, wait, first way, okay, first way, adding with denominator or put in. Okay. So I will give you the example. Yeah, example. Okay. 1 over 8 plus 3 over, oh, sorry, over 8 to be equal, okay. So how we can calculate these fractions like this? Yeah, just 1 plus 3 and then over 8 is equal 1 plus 3 is 4. Then we write 8 as a denominators. So we got 4 over 8 from 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8. Or we can still simplify these fractions. We can, okay, with the numerators and the denominators, we divide by 2, by 2, by 2 also, or by 4, by 4. It's really, okay, by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 8 is 2. So we got 1 over 2, or 1/2 from these fractions. I will give you another example about the additional of rational numbers to give you a better idea. For example, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. See, the denominators of this fraction are different, or we can say unequal denominators. And we can make this denominator are the same by multiplying the denominators of and the numerator. We can do a cross multiplications between the first denominator and the second numerator. And yeah, do the same step between the first numerator and the second denominators like this. You can write like this: 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 is equal. Okay, we do a cross multiplications with the first numerator multiplied by the second denominators over over the first denominators multiplied the first numerator plus wait plus 2 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied 3. Well, okay. 1 multiplied by 3 equal to 3 over 2 multiplied by 3 equal 6 plus 2 multiplied by 1 2 over equal to 2 over 2 multiplied by 3 equal 6. So yeah, we just add the numerators. 3 plus 2 equal or is a 5 over 6. We don't have to uh, uh, add this denominators because the denominators are already equal. I mean, already the same. Okay, so we got uh, 5 over 6 from 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Okay, next. We can do this uh, number, I mean the fractions, by finding the least common multiple or LCM, or in bahasa is KPK. For example, the number 5 over 8 plus 7 over 12. Okay, the denominators are different or unequal denominators. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay, 24. So we can make like this: 5 over 8 plus 7 over 12 equal the LCM of 8 over, I mean 8 and 12 is 24. 24 plus over 24 also. So to keep the rational number equivalent, we also have to multiply the numerator by 3 by 3 by 3. Okay. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 15. Then we do for the second rational number multiply by 2. So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So we got 15 plus 14, 29. 9 over 24. Okay, so we got uh, 29 over 24 from 8 over, I mean 5 over 8 plus 7 over 12. Okay, the next is about subtraction. Okay, about sub, okay, type subtraction. Right, good. Okay, the formula and the calculation methods are still the same with the previous, with the with the additions. The difference is it's just a minus on the subtraction. subtractions. Okay. If the denominators is equal, we just make like this: 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4 equal 2 minus 1 is, and then the denominators are the same. Don't have to change. Do the way like this. We got 1 over 4 from 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. But if the denominator is unequal, there are two ways to do or to calculate them. The first is by multiplying the denominators and the numerators. For example, like this. The formula A over B minus C over D equal A multiplied B over minus B multiplied by C over B multiplied by D. So for the example of number like this, okay, 1 over 4 minus 2 over 5. See the formula. See the formula. We can make like this: 1 multiplied by 5 minus 4 multiplied by 2 over 4 multiplied equal 1 multiplied by 5 is 5 minus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Okay, see, equal, see, the number the 5 is smaller than the second number. And yeah, in math, if we find this number, it's become minus. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Minus 3. Okay, we forgot to write the denominators. The denominators is 12. I mean 20. Okay, minus 3 over 20. Yeah, we cannot simplify this number. So the subtract 1 over 4 and 2 over 5, that gives us minus 3 over 20. Or we can do the ways like this. For example, 7 over 9 minus 2 over 5 equal, yeah, we do the cross multiplication. Yeah, like this: 7 multiplied by 5 plus 9 round bracket minus multiply round brackets minus 2 over 9 multiplied by 5. So 7 multiplied by 5 equal to 35 plus 9 multiplied by minus 2 minus 18. Remember, in math, if plus multiplied minus is minus. Okay, so we continue over 9 multiplied by 5 equal to 45. 45. So 35 plus minus 18. Remember what I say before? Plus multiply. If plus meets with minus, become minus. So 35 plus minus 18 equal to 7 plus 45. So this change already changed into minus to minus. So yeah, that's all about the subtractions of rational number. Next is multiplications. For example, 1 over 8 multiplied 5 over 6. How? Okay, we can do like this. 1 multiplied 5 over 5 6 equal 5 over 30. 30. Okay, just simple. Or yeah, we can simplify both are equal divided by 5 and by 5 also for the denominator. So we get so the product um is 1 over 6. Yeah, the product of uh 1 over 5 multiplied 5 over 6 is 1 over 6. Okay, I will give the another example for mixed fractions like this. 4 sorry 2 over 3 multiplied 1 over 4. The first step is to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions like this. 4 multiplied uh, by 3 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, is 14. So 12 14 over 3 multiplied 1 over 4. So 14 multiplied by 1 is 14, and then yeah, the 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, and we can still simplify both are equal divided by 2. For the numerator we divided by 2, and then for the denominator divided 2 also. Then we find 7 over 6. Oh, so bad. 6. So the product is 7 over 6. 6. Next, for the last one, is about division. For example, 3 over 14 divided 2 over 7. 2 over 7. Yeah, as usual, do a cross multiplications. Equal 3 multiplied by 7, then over 14 multiplied by 2 equal 21 over 28. 28. And we can still simplify this fraction by divided 7 for the denominators 7 also. So 29, 21 divided by 7 equal 3, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. So the quotient is 3 over 4. The quotient from 3 over 12 divided 2 over 7 is 3 over 4. So the division by a fraction is carried out in multiplication by its reciprocal, atau bahasa itu kebalikannya, like this. So 3 over 14 divided 2 over 7 equal 3 over 14. So the second fraction is change or dibalik. Jadi 7 over 2. Ya, 7, 2. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 over 14 multiplied by 2 is 28. Okay, we get, so the quotient is 21 and over 24. So yeah, as a preface, we can simplify the fraction if divided by 7, the numerator, and then the denominator divided by 7. So I think that's all enough. Thank you for attending this class. See you next week. Bye bye.